Mama was now explaining that Wunmi found out that it was Adura that went there to park the stuff. But Mama felt that Wunmi was the one that told some people that she was the one that went to park the stuff. She complained about one of Mohbad's old phone also that was with her that Wunmi came to take. You know, so there was a lot of issues, and I, as a person, just tried to intervene. You know, and obviously, I would always want to blame Wunmi for her because Wunmi is the young one. Wunmi is her Iyawo, right? She's the older one, and Wunmi needs to apologize to her. So I tried to intervene, and I begged Mama because I noticed that she was very angry. Do you understand that people were insulting her? You understand, on some platforms, and she felt that it was Wunmi, and I told Wunmi instantly to make sure she goes to these platforms and meet these people insulting her to stop insulting her and try to explain the things better to them, right? So I think what happened is she said she called Wunmi. Wunmi didn't pick the call. Wunmi said she called her, so she too didn't pick the call. So I think there was a miscommunication between both of them, you know. And I think there was a time, there was a video they said was released, you know, of the house where Mohbad's picture was in the room or something like that. And I think people started attacking Wunmi, you know. So there was a lot of misinformation and a lot of hearsay going on between them that day, you know. And I really tried my best to try and settle them, because me, I was in Oyo, I'm, you know, working, and I was like, okay, when I get to Lagos, I'll try and see how, you understand, I can get to Mama Mohbad and Wunmi and try to see how they can resolve all these things, you know, amicably. So that was just the plain, simple issue that happened between them, which I tried to, you know, intervene. So me hearing that they said I called Mama and I was begging her because I don't want her to spill some secrets is what I don't get. And I'm saying it right here and there. If Mama or any one of them have solid informations, I see no reason why I would keep any information about my own son, irrespective of nobody. If there are informations and things that she has that she wants to spill, she should spill. They should use it to help the case. It will fasten the case to know exactly what went down. So if there's any information, I would never beg Mama not to spill. In fact, I would pick her up and drive her down to the nearest people in charge of the case so that she spills. Why would she want to keep any information that will help the case of her son? Why would I call to beg her not to spill? So what is the justice from Mohbad that we are looking for? I have said it on this platform. I have said it not just on this, not on this platform, but I have said it on, when I say platform, I mean on social media space, that if tomorrow comes, I don't do social media judgment. I love to do the right thing. Go to the right authorities, pursue the case. We backed out from this case because there was a lot of private investigators on social media that felt they could do the case better. Do you understand? And I had to pull back because of my family and people that love me that just do not fancy the fact that my name was just being dragged anyhow. Do you understand? But I stand to say that if there's solid evidence that this family has, instead of them threatening to say, I will spill, please spill, go to the nearest police station or go to the main people in charge, the main police in charge of this case, the main authorities in charge, and spill. Why would you have something about that can help the case of your son and then keep it? What are you keeping it for? What is the essence of keeping such information if you have it? If there's anybody that has made me stand with Wunmi, it is Mama Mohbad. Because I remember the first day I went to that house, that I took her into that room to speak to her, I knew everything that she said was in support of Wunmi. If she had told me something else different, trust me, I would not have stood. I would have come out, I would have said it. She has always stood her ground about Wunmi. A lot of things that she has said has always been in support of Wunmi, and that is one of the reasons I was like, okay, Mama yo le riomo yiti. If she's saying this is the way it is, this is the way it is. So if now there is another situation on ground, because I don't really get what is going on, breezed into Lagos for some few days. I'm going back to Oyo. If there's any information, because they're making it seem like there's some information with Mama Mohbad that we are begging her to hold back. Please, she should not hold back. Mama Mohbad, Emma, hold back any information. Oh my case, we are talking about your son, your child. If there is any information, she should take that information right now to the right authorities, and they should use that information to help the case. But what I got involved with was the fact that Lagbara sọ pé, Tameju sọ pé, ẹ̀rù Mohbad, wọ́n kẹ́rù, ta ló kẹ́rù, wọ́n ní kan ló kẹ́rù, kíní kan ló kẹ́rù, and I just like, all these things are hearsay. Mama is saying she didn't say this, Wunmi is saying she didn't say this. Okay, the best I could do is to apologize to Mama.